Okay, we want to graph y equals 1/2 sine of 3x. The amplitude sits right here. It's just the factor of the function here, so this is your amplitude. So I know that the function is going to be trapped between 1/2 and negative 1/2, so I'm just going to draw horizontal lines, kind of as reference lines here, all the way across at 1/2 and negative 1/2. The period then, the period is going to be 2 pi over 3 will be my period. So again, we just take the coefficient of our x inside the trig function here. Take 2 pi and divide it by that coefficient. So I know at 2 pi over 3, which is right here, every 2 pi over 3, I'm going to have a complete cycle of the sine function. So just graphing my reference points, then I know the sine starts at 0, and then at a fourth of the way through the period it's at its highest point, or one, in this case 1/2, and in the middle it's at 0, and then negative 1, and then back to 0. So my reference points will help me graph the sine function, and I'll just continue this on for as many periods as I want to graph. So I'll just graph 2 periods here. But like I say, I like to draw the box in which one period of this function will be drawn. So I use the amplitude for my top and bottom, my peaks and valleys, I guess, and then the period will help me figure out when one full period of this function is drawn.